Rachel, and today I am back with an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing my Harriet Wright Designs B6 planner, which I'm using as my memory planner for 2022. I'll just quickly show you my 2021 planner. So this is also a memory planner from Harriet Wright Designs. This is exactly the same, but it's got a different cover. And I did and ahh about changing into a different planner. I think sometimes in this community, like, new planners come out and we feel compelled to try everything. And I couldn't settle on anything. And then I just thought, Rach, what are you doing? You've liked this planner, just go back to the same one. And at the time, Harriet Wright Designs was having a bit of a Black Friday sale, so I did get this with a little bit of a discount as well. So let's get into her. So she's just packaged the same way as the one last year was, in this black box. It's got nothing on it, it's just a plain black box. Always handy for repurposing when I've got something else to post to someone else. And then we have got the Harriet Wright Designs sticker on there. She is packaged in a bit of, what is this? A foamy thing. It's not bubble wrap, is it? It's funny foam. Okay, so let's get into her. So she's got the Harriet Wright Designs tissue paper on, which is really nice. So I decided, like I said, to go for the exact same planner as in the B6 Coil, but I went for a different cover this time. So I have gone for the gold foiled bows. Oh, it's beautiful. There was quite a few cover choices. And also, is this now removable? Oh, it is now. So this is new. You can clip on and off the covers. So if partway through the year, whoops, I fancied a bit of a change, interchangeable covers. I'm glad that is a thing. So let's get that back on there. Okay, so that is back on, and we have got the beautiful gold foil bows. The background is a very, very subtle pink. It's beautiful. And then we've just got the plain cover on the back that says Harriet Wright Designs. I've gone for the gold coil again. I can't remember if there was a choice. There might have been, because I know that I would have chosen gold coil on this one because the bows are gold and I just felt like it needed to match. And then we have got the tabs on the side, which are just the clear ones. Now, I've just seen that it has come with, has this got the tabs in it? I think this might have the tabs in it. You know, the little stickers to go on, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use them because I know that Josephine Bow Designs does do some really cute coloured ones, and I know that they do fit. Yes, I've got the little tab things here. So if I decide to not go with the Josephine Bow Designs ones, then I've got these ones. I'll show you on this one. I did put them on. I faced them outwards. I felt like they should have been facing outwards. There. So we've got those again. And then I've just got a little thank you note, and I have got some icons, which are very, very nice as well. So I'll just go through the layout for you. A piece of vellum in the front, and then we've got This Planet Belongs To here. We have got the 2022 year at a glance. None of this I use really, to be honest. 2023 on the back there, and then we've just got this quote here. Is that new? Did we get that last year? I feel like we didn't. Let's have a look. We didn't get the year at a glance last year. I didn't think we did. I'm going to leave it in because I am using this planner in 2022, but this is an undated planner, so if you wanted to use it on a different year, you could always just rip that page out. So then we've got the same quote that we had before. Now, what's the layout like? We have got the dividers, which are really nice and thick. I like those. And then we have got, oh, this is cool. I could put people's birthdays in it. We've got the 12 monthly boxes. And then we're into this. So this page is the only page that I don't really know what to do with, to be honest. Last year I just left them blank. I've decided that I'm just not obsessing about things anymore. Things like that would have annoyed me, having a blank page, and I would have felt like I needed to get a different planner because I don't have any use for it. But yeah, I'm just not getting annoyed about things like that anymore. It is what it is. Maybe if it's a busy month and I have some photographs for memories, I can put them on. I'll probably just leave it plain again. So we've got the B6 monthly layout there. I'll show you a filled in one from this planner. There, you can see I didn't use that page at all. So here we go. That is actually a Harriet Wright Designs B6 sticker kit as well for that. And then we have got the monthly layout. So we've just got your standard 5 days that are 4 days, and the weekend shares a column. I'll show you one of those as well so you can just see how they turn out. Really, really pretty spreads. There we go. That was the Easter one from last year using the Josephine Bow Designs kit. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I just love how they turned out. I did think that because last year I'd had a B6, should I try the 7x9? But then I thought, again, if it's not broken, don't fix it. And then at the end of the last page, you just get a little notes page down there. And then I think if I flip to the back, I do have a few notes pages. So we've got 12 months. And then, yeah, we have a few extra notes pages. I didn't use them in last year's. I probably won't use them in this year's. And actually, I'm just feeling it and thinking that that paper feels really, really nice. I actually might tear them out and use that paper for something. It seems a shame to waste it. But yeah, that is going to be my 2022 memory planner from Harriet Wright Designs. So I'm only up to, this will make Robin laugh because it creases her how far behind I am in my memory planners. Close your ears, Robin. I am in... Is it April? I'm into April now. I'm just about to get into May, I think. Have I done a week in May? No, I haven't. I'm just about to get into May. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I am going to start memory planning in here on my channel with videos as soon as possible in 2022. Because if I carry on like this, in like 2027, I'm going to be like memory planning 2023 or something ridiculous like that. So what I might do is maybe do some of this off camera. This will definitely be on camera, and if I'm looking for an extra video to film, maybe we'll just do a back plan in here. Who knows? Same in my Hobonichi weeks as well. It's going to be the same thing. But anyway, yes, that is my memory planner for 2022 from Harriet Wright Designs, and that's it from me for this video. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye.